TTP English, 26 January. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is National Voters' Day. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. On the 25th of January, the nation celebrated the National Voters' Day. The theme for 2024 is Making Every Vote Count, No Voter to be Left Behind. Now let's discuss about National Voters' Day. January 25th marks the National Voters' Day in India, celebrating the power of individual voices in democracy. The day is celebrated to mark the establishment of the Election Commission of India in 1950. Established in 2011, National Voters' Day aims to promote electoral awareness and encourage youth participation in the democratic process. The day emphasizes civic responsibility, transparency, and informed choices in shaping the nation's future. Now let's discuss about Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India, that is ECI, is a constitutional body. It was established by the Constitution of India to conduct and regulate elections in the country. Article 324 of the Constitution provides that the power of superintendence, direction and control of elections to Parliament, state legislators, the office of the President of India and the office of Vice President of India shall be vested in the Election Commission. Thus, the Election Commission is an all-India body in the sense that it is common to both the central government and the state governments. Now let's have a look at the structure of Election Commission. The Commission was established in 1950 and originally only had one Chief Election Commissioner. Two additional commissioners were appointed to the Commission for the first time on 16th October 1989 on the eve of the 1989 general election, but they had a very short tenure ending on 1st January 1990. The Election Commissioner Amendment Act 1989 was adopted on 1st January 1990, which turned the Commission into a multi-member body. A three-member commission has been in operation since then, and the decisions by the Commission are made by a majority vote. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Election Commission of India. 1. It was established in the year 1950. 2. From the beginning itself, the Commission has been a multi-member body. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.